Ray and Deborah Miller, your missionaries to Mindoro, Philippines. Mindoro is a lovely island. 1.1 million beautiful people live here. But without Jesus Christ in their lives, these beautiful people are lost. What is the answer?
The answer is simple. It's the gospel. Our challenge is to saturate Mindoro with the gospel.
How do we do that?
God has chosen to work through the local church. This is where people hear the gospel, grow in their faith, worship together, become involved in ministry, and bring others to experience God's blessing.
People must be reached with the gospel, but it's not enough to just win them to Christ. There's more. The fruit of evangelism must be preserved. Believers must be discipled and developed to follow God's plan for their lives.
This all happens through the ministry of the local church.
There are many places in Mindoro where the people have no church to attend. For them, the nearest church is too far away to faithfully attend and be involved. How will they hear the gospel? How will they grow spiritually?
Our task is to bring the gospel to them by strategically planting churches that are accessible to as many people as possible.
It's the challenge to saturate.
Why is it so important to plant many churches?
Church planting is the heart of Jesus. Jesus said, go and make disciples. So for you to have a real disciples, you need to have a church. Number two, it helps advance the kingdom. And he said, God's kingdom is forcefully advancing.
But the local church is only as effective as its leaders. Why is worker training so important?
Training is very important, and it must be given a priority here in Mindoro. We need more workers, effective and efficient, in the ministry for the Lord's glory.
And why is the Millers Partnership so important?
The Millers are important partners in training because of their exposure and experiences in the field, especially in training areas. And I believe the couple could be a big help in training in our churches here in Mindoro.
Thank you for your partnership in prayer and financial support. You're helping to plant churches and train workers to reach and preserve the harvest here on Mindoro.
Together we are meeting the challenge to saturate Mindoro with the gospel.
We returned to Mindoro in April 2013, still several $100s short in monthly support. If you are not already partnering with us in this way, please prayerfully consider doing so.